In this guide, we will explore the 2023 Audi TT fuse box diagram and its location. Where is the fuse box located in the Audi TT? What does the diagram show about the fuse box layout? How can you identify each fuse and its function? Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2023 Audi TT houses fuses for various interior components like lights, airbags, and infotainment systems. It provides easy access to troubleshoot electrical issues. The fuse box is designed for quick identification and replacement of fuses. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2023 Audi TT controls fuses for vital engine components such as the alternator, cooling system, and fuel pump. It is designed to protect critical electrical circuits. The fuse box is weather-resistant and built for durability in harsh conditions.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.